Hey guys, I'm doing a exhaust repair on my Subaru Outback. Just want to show you a quick and easy way to find exhaust leaks on any exhaust system. Grab your shop vac. As you can see, I got a little one, so it doesn't have to be big, any size. Mine actually perfectly fits on the exhaust pipe, so if you luck out like I did, then you don't really need any duct tape or any other fittings, but however you do it, whether inside like I did or over the top, depending on your hose size. Get your shop vac there hooked up to the exhaust pipe. Now this shop vac has an inlet and an outlet. So right now it's on the outlet, so I'm forcing air through the system, which is the whole idea. It's going to be, probably not possible if you have a shop vac that only sucks in. I'm not sure if all shop vacs go both ways, but anyways, make sure you're blowing air out. And then if you have a dual outlet on your exhaust, like my car, just take a rag and plug the other exhaust pipe. So air going in one way, plugged on the other way. Now if your exhaust is still hooked up to your car, is still mounted up on your car, that's all you're going to need to do. Just turn the shop back on and find where the air is coming out. But in my case, I already dropped it down because I had to do some welding here. This is the whole issue, is this accordion, these bellows. This section had a crack all along this first bellows section here. So anyways, I do have some rags here shoved into the inlet ports of the exhaust, so that when I turn the shop back on, I would recommend leaving one out. If your system is very tight and you only have a few pinhole leaks, you don't want to blow up your shop vac motor. So